Considering inertia of motion. So inertia of motion means the tendency of a body to remain in motion. So consider a truck, again a truck of 1000 kilogram and a stone of 2 kilogram. Let us say that this truck is moving with a velocity 2 meter per second. Similarly, the stone of mass 2 kilogram is moving with a velocity 2 meter per second. It is easily noticeable that it is much easier to stop this stone which is moving with 2 meter per second than to stop a truck of 1000 kilogram which is moving with 2 meter per second. It is because the tendency of this truck to remain in motion is far more than the tendency of the stone of 2 kilogram to continue in its state of motion. That means the inertia of this truck is more when compared to inertia of this stone. That means as mass increases, the inertia of the body increases. As mass increases, the body have a greater tendency to remain